So friends, let's see the amazing shortcut keys using Windows key. Our shortcut key number first is Windows plus D. Here you can see I have opened many folder. If you want to return directly to the desktop without minimizing a single folder, you have to just press Windows plus D. As you will press, you will jump to the desktop directly. Shortcut key number second, Windows E. If you want to open your computer, then no need to go on the computer folder and click on it. You can directly press Windows E and your computer folder will directly open. Shortcut key number third, that is Windows F. If you want to search in your folder, then just press Windows F. Your search box will appear and you can directly search whatever you want to search. Shortcut key number 4 is that Windows L. If you want to log off your computer, you will Alt F4 and then you will go to this option and then you will select log off. This is so long process, but you can directly press Windows L and your computer will automatically log off. I am not pressing here because it will log off and the video will stop. So you try it yourself. Shortcut key number 5, Windows F. That is, if you have opened many much folder, for example, let me open, and if you want to minimize them all at one click, then just press Windows M. Your whole folder will minimize. And if you want to maximize them all again, then the shortcut key number 6 is that just press Windows Shift and M. Your all minimize folder will maximize again to normal. Shortcut key number 7 is for OneNote. For OneNote, which is provided by Microsoft. As you will press Windows N, OneNote will automatically come to your taskbar and you can type whatever you want to type, or you can capture the screen from here. This is the shortcut key to open OneNote. Now shortcut key number 8, which is Windows P. If you have connected your PC to an external monitor or projector and you want some option, so you can directly press Windows P, which will take you to this menu from which you can extend, duplicate, project as you like. You can display your original screen to the projector. Now let's move to shortcut key number 9, which is Windows R. Windows R is for run. If you want open run, then you will go to Windows button, then you will type, which take a long process. So you can directly press Windows R. Your run command will automatically open and you can search whatever you want to do. And our last is that Windows 10, which is Windows S OneNote capture. If you press Windows S, your computer will able to capture whatever screen you want to capture and it will save to your OneNote. Here you can see OneNote is available. So like this you can save your screenshot easily to OneNote. Now let's move to shortcut key number 11. 11 is to open the pin or running program on the taskbar. The name of the shortcut key is Windows plus T. As you will press, look on the taskbar, you have to press Windows T. As you will press, you will able to move on any program. So if I want to open Chrome or Notepad, just to go there and press enter. Your Notepad will automatically open without clicking of mouse. I hope you understand. Shortcut key number 12 is to open control panel. If you want to open control panel, you will type control panel, then you will open it. Take too long, so you can directly press Windows U to open control panel. Shortcut key number 13, if you want to know your battery status, or you want to increase your brightness, or if you want to connect to another network, then you have to just press Windows X. Here you will see many much option. It will directly take you to Windows Mobility Center, from which you can see your battery status, sound and much more things you can do here. So you have to just press Windows plus X. Shortcut key number 14, that is Windows Tab. If you have opened many programs, for example, let me open, and you want to select one of them, then no need of mouse to go there. Here you can see my mouse is here and I am going to open one of them program. Then just press Windows D. It will give you a 3D view which look amazing, and you can thrill by doing this to your friend or anyone. Windows tab you have to press, then again you have to press by holding Windows tab. As you will press tab, you will see your programs are going forward, backward. So you can select, for example, I want my notepad, so I will select the notepad and I will be on the notepad. Okay, like this you can do. Windows tab you understand. Now let's move to shortcut key number 15th, which is Control, Tab and Windows. You have to press Control, Windows and Tab. As you will press, you can now leave your shortcut keys and now you can normally select whatever window you want. For example, I want this radical bin, so I can directly select from here. In Windows tab, you have to hold that button, otherwise it will go. Okay, I think you understand it. Shortcut key number 16 is that Windows plus number. Means you have to press Windows button and the number from 1 to 0 to open the taskbar program which are pinned or running. For example, if you want to open Notepad, no need to go with your cursor, you can directly press Windows 2. Now why I press Windows 2? You have to count your program number after start menu. This is 1 and this is 2. So as you will press Windows 2, it will open. If I want any folder from this, then I can count the number, and here you can see the number is 6th. So I will press by holding Windows 6th. As I will press, I can see the options of the folders and I can open it easily. I hope you understand this also. Shortcut key number 17 is very easy and also useful. If you have opened too much folders and you want to minimize them all except on which you are working. For example, I am working on recycle bin. So I want just to keep my recycle bin as it is and minimize all the except folder, then recycle bin. So I will just press Windows and pause button which is given on the right side of your keyboard. As you will press, all the folders will minimize except your working folder, and you can get it back by pressing the same button again. Shortcut key number 18. If you are working on your folder or on Microsoft or any program and you want to preview your desktop, then just hold your Windows button and press the space bar. You can get a preview of your desktop easily. Shortcut key number 19. It is very interesting. Normally we used to split, means we want to split in our mobile, but you can do this in your PC also. If you want to maximize this folder, no need to click here. You can just select your folder and then just press Windows plus up arrow. Your folder will automatically maximize. Shortcut key number 20 is that just if you want to move your folder to the right hand side, no need to hold and go. You can just press Windows plus right arrow. This will maximize your folder to the right side. If you want to maximize it to left side, then the shortcut key number 21 is there. You have to just hold it and press Windows left button. You can do this for the Chrome tab also and for the notepad files. In all the file it's going to work. You have to just press the Windows right arrow or the left arrow to maximize on the left side or on the right side according to your need. Now if you want to minimize this folder, no need to click on this minimize button. You have to just hold your folder and then click on Windows button and then press the down arrow. This was the shortcut key number 22, and this all were the 20 plus shortcut key. Totally I tell you 22 shortcut key using Windows key. I hope you like this trick. If you like this trick, then press the like button. Share this video as much as you can share. Also, I hope you learn a lot from this video. Then don't forget to comment. I like to read your comments. Subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon for the latest videos notification. Also, go in the description box and watch other videos. Also, I have provided their link. Access our other video playlist also. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.